sorry, Jacob. It was unacceptable. I shouldn't have taken things to that extreme and assumed the worst. He waved off the apology. Water under the bridge. The saints teach forgiveness, and I understand. You were looking out for your little girl. Still, not my finest hour, I said with a grimace. But I appreciate
What the
staying.
fuck?
And thanks for being so understanding about Kaya. About all of it. Jacob extended his hand. After a moment's hesitation, I shook it firmly. It might be an uneasy truce, but it was a truce nonetheless. I'd take it without reservations. I'm glad.
Stop.
Like she's right there in my ear, telling me that she wants to own me, to control
It ends right there.
me.
Look at that, he just kept grabbing.
Damn!
In case you ever need it.
Yeah, they're honking at me like that. Yeah, go around. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, they have kids in the car. Dang. They have kids. Oh, leave it. Yeah, they're honking at me like that. Yeah, go around. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, they have kids in the car. Dang. They have kids. Oh my god. Like... No, girl, I thought the gap was bigger. Girl, holy shit, she just got out and yelled at me. Yeah. Don't you have to go, like, dude, like, she was like, there was, like, space. Like, there was space. Okay. Ugh.
I want that dash cam.
You want that what?
That dash cam.
I want it too, because, like, I think there was space, and I think she sped up. Oh my god, like, I can't believe she got...
Yeah, this will be fun.
Matt knows how to
She's in black, is the problem.
And the problem is she crossed against the fucking thing. It's been green.
I know.
better not waste my shit. I'm way too high off like somebody lace my shit. Hors d'oeuvres with the string, you gotta say.